Today I'll be explaining a topic from physics of ICSE 10th called electromotive force. Now, electromotive force, also called as EMF, is defined like this. The EMF of a cell is the energy spent per unit charge in moving a positive test charge around the complete circuit of the cell. So if you remember these lines, energy spent per unit charge, it is basically the voltage. Okay, it is the voltage to move the test charge around the circuit of the cell. Basically, it is the voltage in the cell that is used to move the test charge around the circuit as well as inside the battery. Okay, so it goes around the circuit as well as it goes inside the battery. So something like this. The energy spent to move unit charge along this entire circuit is called EMF of the cell. Okay. To understand more elaborately, we'll see this as well. So we are seeing two scenarios. One scenario is where the circuit is open, which means the switch key is open. Right. That means there is no current flowing through the circuit, but there is potential difference inside the battery. Right. This entire potential difference inside the battery is the EMF. Clear? Now, when I close the battery, see, some amount of potential difference will flow outside of the battery, some will remain inside. Okay, now the remaining inside, the voltage that is remaining inside is called internal voltage. The voltage in the circuit and outside of the battery is called terminal voltage. If you combine both of these, you will get EMF. That is why I've also color coded it in a similar way, that when you mix yellow and red, you'll get the orange part. Okay, so that is it for EMF. This is what we have EMF in our chapters electricity for ICSE 10. Thank you.